मन नहीं कर रहा. Hi guys. We came back yesterday. We did not see the fireworks because we got so tired. I think you can only do either fireworks and then you like go there by 12ish, or you can do what we did, which was go in the morning and do major rides, all the rides, enjoy the park, but by the end you get exhausted. We surely did get exhausted. We reached back by 12 or 11.
I think 11. I estimated that we would reach by 11.
We reached back by 11ish, slept, and still not back on full energy, right?
Yeah.
Today we are just doing CN walking and all. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed little bit of Paris with us. We are doing good. जो इतनी मुझे एंजाइटी हो रही थी वो थोड़ी अब calm down हो गई है, and we are having a lot of fun. Gonna leave in a bit. Let me show you guys my outfit for the shoot today. I am wearing my trusted and comfortable Scott from Zara and this postmodern strawberry tank top. It's super hot out here. Definitely need to get some sandals because I'm wearing shoes and socks. And you want to show your outfit?
No.
Okay, then why are you coming in the frame? Definitely need to get some sandals so that I can be shoes free, and I have no idea what's happening out here. Just dried my hair. यहाँ का पानी इतना बढ़िया है guys, like you can drink water while taking a shower. Good morning. Good morning. Hi guys. Welcome to Blunt with K, second vlog of our Europe trip. It is day 5. Yesterday we had a full day with Catherine and one of my friends, and we went to so many beautiful spaces. We went to opera, we went to Petit Palais, and we had a walk around Arc de Triomphe a little bit. Walked by the Seine, sat by the Seine, had dinner next to Eiffel Tower. It was just beautiful. We took a lot of photos and little clips, but I did not want to vlog because I just wanted to, like, apart clicking photos and videos, I just wanted to be completely in the moment with my friend. And if you all have noticed, I am like, I like vlogging, but I don't like vlogging so much. I like my moments to be mine. So a balance of what I share with you and then what I don't share with you is an amazing cocktail. Today we have our boat ride in the evening, but today I wanted to keep a little break because we got super tired with back-to-back every day, waking up early in the morning, coming back by 12 at night every day. So we're not doing much today, except yesterday Catherine introduced Ivan to Geocache. Ivan will update you more about it. It's more so like hidden spots where people put like chits and you can write your date. It's like a hidden box that you need to find, and then if you find it, you log it on the app, and it's like a very cool activity that Catherine does since years. I did one with her in CP when she was in Delhi, and this time when she did one of it, and then Ivan got so much into it, we ended up doing like 4 or 5, and through those geocache we ended up walking around the Eiffel Tower. Catherine ended up climbing a tree I was waiting for a little bit of traffic noise to go away, but it's a busy street right now, and there's construction going on in front of our Airbnb, so it's pretty noisy during the daytime. Ivan is currently finishing his episode that he's been watching of Mark Roberts on Netflix, and then we are gonna go grab some sandwich to eat and do a couple of geocache, and I'm gonna take you guys along. I want to get some berries because आज मेरी strawberries और blueberries ख़त्म हो गई हैं. Yesterday we had so much pasta. I don't know if you guys can see, I got a little pimple. So I want to keep like myself hydrated and have only fruits or just a salad in the evening, something like that. And I'm excited for this again. Today I'm going to take you guys around and vlog as much as I can. As soon as Ivan is done, we're going to leave, and I'm going to take you guys around with us. I am so happy. My heart is so full, and it's just 5th day of the trip. We still have 2 more weeks. How is this my life? How is this my life? I mean, I've long waited for this life. Instead of how is this my life, finally this is my life is what I want to say. Finally I've reached a place where this is my life. Last year for Ivan's summer vacation, I took him to Bali. Last year I took him to Leh Ladakh. This year we are in Europe. This is what my life was supposed to be, and I'm glad I've reached that space where I'm finally living what I kept visualizing, dreaming and wanting to live. So I'm just really happy, and sharing with you guys this feeling and this moment means something to me. So I thought I will share it with you guys. I have something else to talk about, but I don't want to do it in this noisy vibe, so I'm going to do it eventually. But I want to share something with you, just a little heart to heart. I'm going to see when I can do it, and then we'll talk more. Look who is here. Ivan, say hi to everybody. Oh, your lift is working for you today or no? No? Let's go then. We have this cute mini lift that Ivan luckily he got to use when we came. And luckily it wasn't closed, वरना मुझे 3-4 floor luggage carry करना पड़ता, जो probably वापस जाते वक्त करना पड़ेगा. Because if this doesn't work, then I will have to do that. But that's not the problem for today.
No.
And that's not the work for today.
And now we're gonna find some cash.
Yes. Why don't you walk on the street and tell us all about what cash is?
Yeah, I know.
Go, go, go. Hi guys, we're out and about. Let's go.
Our door's open for us.
Let's go. We have to check the map, no?
Yeah.
You hold this and tell people about cash.
So, cash is like...
थोड़ा सा इधर चलते हैं.
Geocaching is actually like a sport. So basically, there are many secret containers hidden, and you have to find them and sign them. It's a super
Wait,
fun
we have
activity.
to go this way?
Cha.
Recenter करने दो.
Wait. See map.
मैंने यही तो किया था. We have to go this way, no?
So we're going to find a cache. It'll be super fun.
You were telling how
Let's
it's a
do it.
sport.
So it's like
Can people even see you?
it's actually like a sport where you like find secret containers. People call it geocaching.
They call
And-
it cashier. Then.
No, they call it geocaching.
Geo
Caching.
caching.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to cross. Come. We have to go right. So basically, we have this. What do you call it? Navigation on their map, and you guys are going to come along with us for Ivan's first solo cache, because yesterday we did all with Catherine, which was fun,
Yeah.
and 7 meters away.
It must be around here.
See? We still have to walk, no?
Yeah.
हम दूर नहीं जा रहे इससे, या हम सही जा रहे हैं? इसका मैप गूगल मैप्स जैसा नहीं है. Now we are going away.
This is the apple.
It's 14 meters. Now we have to go this way, I think.
To go this way.
हम उधर से ही आए हैं.
We must have passed it.
We must have passed the cache. 11 meters, 10 meters, 8 meters, 7 meters, 6 meters, 5 meters, 4, 3, 4, 5. So it's somewhere here.
Wait,
What?
give me the phone.
Checking the hint. Did you choose English?
Yes.
What's the hint?
It's translated.
It's fun. There are so many things that I get into which are picked up from Ivan's likings. It's fun, it's nice. Ivan. Oh, it's this one, Ivan. See, ये यहाँ पे वो, that one. Come, hold my hand. Let's cross.
Show me a picture of it.
What's the...
We're gonna find this cache. Woohoo!
Okay. Disappointing news is,
We couldn't find the cache.
yeah, we tried 2 and both of them we couldn't find, but then the problem is that we need to go home and download the translation so that we get English translation. We are getting hints in French, and that's not helping. Like, no can do. So now we are going for lunch.
That's a plan.
Ivan's having Subway, and then after Ivan has had his food, I'm gonna grab some berries from Franprix. And I'm not having Subway today. I'm not having any bread today. So I'm gonna grab some salad from Franprix and some berries. And that's gonna be my food. But for now, need to feed the baby. The baby is hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, the baby is hungry. We tried. ऐसे ही होगा.
The cache is
We can check today at near Sen also.
Near the Seine, the caches are much more easier to find.
Well,
You know why?
why?
Because those caches, they give you proper graffiti hints.
Yesterday it wasn't so easy to find for both of you.
No, it was.
Well, we'll see if close to Sen is easy to find or what. But Ivan is yet to make his first solo cache. Is it gonna be today? Is the question. Hopefully it will be today. I really want it to be today. It'll be cool because you can show the cache on the vlog also.
Yeah.
So I'm excited if you find it today. Okay, Subway is 7 minutes away. Let's go.
How far?
7 minutes.
Where?
500 meters.
Imagine if it takes us to the subway station instead of the subway sandwich.
And it goes. Here's your Subway. That wouldn't be fun for you
Yeah.
because you're hungry. Okay, 450 meters. यहाँ पे ही हमारा फर्स्ट कैश था जो हमें नहीं मिला. हम वापस वहीं आ गए हैं. We are back. It is so hot outside. It's like literally you can't step out. हम लोग कल इस टाइम पे ओपेरा में थे तो पता नहीं चला because opera was all AC. तो दोपहर का टाइम निकल गया. आज हम लोग एकदम दोपहर के टाइम पे गए. So it's pretty hot. I got myself some Nescafe espresso from Pri. Got couple of them for the coming days because हमारे Airbnb की coffee machine चल नहीं रही है for some reason. And the more like there was this once I wrote to the Airbnb guy कि coffee machine नहीं चल रही है and he sent me a video in which चल रही है. So I really don't know why it's not working and I don't want to ask him again. Got the La Roche-Posay sunscreen क्योंकि मेरी sunscreen खत्म हो गई है. And got some more strawberries because ये मुझे दिल्ली में नहीं मिलेगी इतनी बढ़िया क्वालिटी की. And जो मैं दिल्ली में बिल्कुल नहीं खाती, दिल्ली गुड़गांव, I want to have it here, is raspberries. I'm gonna actually make myself and blueberries. I love berries. Today, yes. Do you want some right now? Today, I'm on a mission to unbloat myself. I'm feeling very bloated. Have your mogu mogu. We have only 3 days to finish so many things up. You have like 4 cartons of milk to finish up and your yogurt. Do you want berries right now or mogu mogu right now?
Berries.
Okay.
Now can I watch my TV please?
Wait a second. Okay. Do that. Bye bye. I switched on AC for you. You're welcome. I don't know. You were using it. You used it. Sorry, I'm asking again. Shit, मुझे conditioner लाना था. You want your berries right now?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, when I say I'm on a mission to figure my bloating out, this is gonna be my lunch. A protein bar which I bought from here, which is berry flavor, raw fruit and nut bar with date and berries and all thing berries is my day today, with a plate full of berries. I had yogurt and berries in the morning. This is my second shift of berries. I'm gonna have my Nescafe espresso and I have my water bottle which I'm gonna finish, and this is gonna be my lunch. I will have something in the evening. And Ivan को मैंने अभी Subway खिला दिया है, so he is sorted. But for now, this is what I'm doing. I thought I'll come out, sit, but यहाँ पे तो एकदम ही मेरे ऊपर ही direct धूप आ रही है. So I'm not sure I can do that. It's too bright, and the sun is gonna stay here for a couple of hours. The raspberries are so yum. Oh, I wish गुड़गांव में इतनी अच्छी raspberries मिलती होती. Frozen raspberries मिलती हैं. Can't do that. I'm sorry. After a good 4-5 days, doing a chill day is also not easy. मुझे ट्रैवल करते वक्त अगर मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही होती और ऐसे चिल कर रही होती हूँ तो मेरे को फोमो होने लगता है कि ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. Individually, I would be out and about walking the city right now. My 9-year-old has a stamina and a battery situation. So I have to balance both. Partially, I'm happy that today is rest day with the evening out. Partially, I'm also feeling, yeah, let's go somewhere. I love doing nothing, but when I'm out and traveling, I'm like, let's do something. Mix of both these things. If you get irritated by me eating and talking, too bad for you. Okay, time to gobble this up. I don't know what's more funny. Ivan toasting in the sun. सोफ्रामाइसिन लगा दूँ इस पे ना अभी पहले चेंज कर लो फिर लगा देती हूँ. Ivan fell yesterday near the sand. दर्द हो रही है? I'll just you put on clothes and I'll put Sofra on you. I love our Airbnb, guys. This is such a cool Airbnb. We have a little balcony to ourselves, a little place to have brekkie, which we have used for so many things. Our cozy bed, our stuff here, our kitchen, our warmest of warm bathroom. Like the bathroom is just, it's mashallah. And then you have me in the Airbnb. Hey, I'm drying up my hair. Next, we just got done with our shower and we want to try cash again, geocache at Sen. So the aim is to go a bit early before our cruise and try cash. Let's see. I hope we get it. Yeah. Okay. Let's dry up my hair and then we go. I'm actually really excited for the cruise. Are you? Yes. Wow. Okay, put on your clothes. Guys,
We're looking for the cash.
we're looking for the cash. This is our third attempt and it says that it is somewhere here. Evo, check this. Check under this. इसके नीचे चेक करो. Evo, I'm getting a feeling it's somewhere here because it can be hidden here.
Make sure you get early at your
We found it!
Oh my god, guys, we have found our first cash. So this is how this looks. Oh my god, this is a... Evo, I'll hold this. हवा से गिर जाएगा तो नीचे चला जाएगा. Wait, I have to send your photo to Kathy and you take out your pen and do your entry. Ivan's first solo cash. Show me your photo. My camera is blurred. Can you clean it with your t-shirt?
Wait, hold this. This is where I'm signing.
Oh my god, we have found our first cash. And we walked literally past there because हमने गलत मैप फॉलो किया था. फिर हम नीचे चले गए. फिर हमें नीचे जाके रियलाइज हुआ कि नीचे नहीं, हमें ऊपर वॉक करना है. So we have to learn. We will learn how to follow the map eventually. We will do it, right? Where are you lost?
ये रोल अप करना.
मैं रोल अप करूँ, आप इसमें लिखो, अपनी एंट्री करो. We did it, guys. Look at the view behind us. There is Pornaf, the famous Pornaf artistry is going on. It's too bright. I don't know what you can see. And let's go to Mayo's. I'm hungry, and we can sit next to Sen.
Yeah.
And
Tell them.
You tell them.
Tell them your history of Miles.
Oh, you can't tell them. I have to tell them. Okay, let me talk about that shortly. But first, need to Google Map Miles. You hold my hand. Let's go.
We found our first cash.
Big one. Guys, I used to work here, like do a part-time job at this spot called Mayo's and fry falafel for a living for 2 days. 2 days part-time job, then I got fired because my boss apparently said that I am too slow at frying falafel. I was just not made for that job. It was a part-time job. So that day I took Ivan and showed him. And it's a vegetarian, like a sandwich place. So I'm taking Ivan today again and we are gonna have Mayo's. Isn't that cool? Getting your child to a place where I got fired in 2 days. But 2 days I worked. It was so much fun.
Flying falafel.
Flying falafel.
You could ask for something better.
Like making crepes. Looks like the game has started. Today there is Champions League game in Paris, so everybody is going crazy. Like so crazy that the metros are not working at night. Some metros, some stops are not working at night. Okay, let me show you guys. So this is the spot. Ta-da! Vegan fast food Mayo's at Saint Michel. This is where I used to work and I used to fry at the back end, just behind this lady. That's where I used to fry things. We have to go to Sen after this, no? We are only taking it, right? Yeah.
I'm vlogging.
So you basically choose everything that you want. I'm taking a bowl. Technically you take a sandwich. I'm just avoiding bread today, so that's the thing. And Ivan's taking the sandwich. I'm gonna take some more of this and some carrots that I used to love back then. Oh my god, it's like I'm having this after so long. I used to work here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in 2009. I used to fry the falafels.
Oh yeah.
And then there was this other girl who used to do the bill and everything. So I'm showing it to my followers.
It's good to.
Yeah, that's why I'm showing it to my son that, you know, I used to do this behind. But I only worked for a couple of days, then I got fired.
Hard for you?
I was too new. I did not know French. I was learning back then. And here you need to know. Yeah. Are you here since long?
2 months.
Oh, do you like it? You're new? Do you know French? Have you started learning? Oh, nice. Are you enjoying it here? Oh, not bad. Not bad. After 30 minutes of struggle, we have finally found a spot, and Ivan's having Mayo's ka sandwich. How's it? Good. We're super hungry. मेरे टाइम पे ये bowls नहीं होते थे. अब oh my god, there is a cruise coming. अब ये bowls हैं. And today I did not want to have bread, so it's really working in my favor, guys. And I like this spot. अभी तो आप दिख भी नहीं रही हो उनको. Okay, let me eat and get some energy. I'm really hungry. Actually, let me show you guys something. Hey! Some people are waving. Hey! Nice! Guts है guys, guts. पेरिस में अपना vlogging कैमरा निकाल के ये जो मैं अभी कर रही हूँ, इसके लिए क्या चाहिए? Guts चाहिए, guts.
One more thing चाहिए, peace and quiet.
Peace and quiet. That's right. I had the best food of my life. Ivan's still at it because he has been waving hi to all the boats that are coming in, and every 2 minutes में boat आ रही है. So you can only imagine how many highs and byes Ivan has done. As a college student, this was one of my favorite things to do. Come at Sen, get my food, my friend or friends, get a drink, sit here and sit for hours and hours and hours. It's a very Parisian thing to do. Parisian, I don't know how to pronounce it. I've really lost my French accent and my French. A very Parisian thing to do. Parisian. Ivan, I want a shot of you having the falafel. Guys, the falafel ball, the famous falafel ball that I used to fry, जिसमें मैं slow थी, जिसके वजह से मेरी नौकरी सिर्फ 2 दिन चली. Get ready for it. Ivan's gonna gobble one. I told Ivan it's very delicious, and he believed me, and then he had some, and it is delicious. 2.
I know, now that doesn't sound good.
Gobble the falafel, okay? Gobble the falafel. And अब तो आप इसका सैंडविच कर सकते हो. अब इसमें से सब आपने falafel balls खा ली. That's my son having the falafel. 2 दिन की नौकरी लगी थी मेरी, guys. Cheers.
Right, can I get back to my seat?
Guys, we did the boat ride Paris won the game. Some football championship game.
And everybody's gone crazy.
Everybody went crazy. Saint Michel was literally crazy. There were crackers. There were police.
They had
Yeah.
arrested someone.
There were people.
The police had actually arrested someone
Yeah.
in a in a football jersey.
Yeah, and like that, people were honking all around. It was fun. People were hooting, screaming. There was a lot of 6-7 happening. Oh, there's a bunch of group coming with their flag. It was fun to see Paris like that. And oh my god, the best part. Wait, let me pass some people. Eiffel Tower was sparkling more than 5 minutes. So when it was our turn to see the Eiffel Tower through boat, it was sparkling. When we were coming back, it was sparkling. Basically it was sparkling all throughout, which was very pretty. And now we are going back.
And I'm doing some parkour.
Yes, we are back. We are walking back to our Airbnb. We had some yummy gelatos. Ivan had mango and Madagascar vanilla. I had hazelnut and vanilla. Ivan had the best crepe of his life, which I have to try next when I want to have the Nutella strawberry. I'm gonna try that one tomorrow. Okay, go straight. Tomorrow, left. From this way. Tomorrow 9:30 we have our cycling tour, which is like a 3-hour cycling tour. I am super pumped, extremely excited for that, and so is this little monkey. Who is? Show me one, come on, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, one more. Yeah, one more. Whoa, this is Ivan running Paris के streets पे. मैं अपने कॉलेज में तो कभी नहीं imagine कर सकती थी कि one day my child will be doing this. I love this city. I love everything about this city. With all the pickpocketing anxiety, I still love the city. Okay. Straight. आपको अभी तक रास्ता नहीं याद हुआ ना? मुझे हो गया. Wow, Ivan, look at the moon. See, I think it's full moon today. Look. Come. Okay. I'm gonna take you guys around tomorrow with a ow.
You okay?
Scratched my foot.
It's not my fault that you are feeling while I was doing parkour. Technically that's true. You shouldn't be too close to me when I'm doing parkour.
I will see you guys tomorrow. It's time for us to hit the bed. Sleep our get some good night sleep.
Yeah.
Say bye bye. Show one more parkour. Not on this. This is construction site. Go forward. Okay, not on the crossing street, Ivan. Let's go. This is good. Ivan, रात हो गई है तो क्रॉसिंग स्ट्रीट का लिहाज ना करना तो नहीं होना चाहिए ना बेटा. ओए, Oi, oi, talking to you, my boy. Okay, guys, gotta go. Yup, somebody needs to go to bed. Yup.